Hi, it's Karen here. Today we're going to be doing this card with these 3 stamps, Twisted Vine set and the wild flower. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut 3 squares of paper, white cardstock, and 3 squares of black. I'm using 300 GSM, and fortunately I've got a die cut that cuts them into those proportions for me, but you can just cut them with a normal paper trimmer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my oxides here. I've got twisted citron and squeezed lemonade. And my blending brushes, I'm going to start with squeezed lemonade, using a piece of copy paper to protect my work. And I'm just going to start off the card, and in a gentle circular motion, I'm just going to move the ink onto the card. I'm keeping it moving in a circular motion. The oxide ink blends beautifully and smoothly on the card, and I'm blending it all the way to the center. So I've got a nice even blend. I'm just going to clean this off so that I don't get any of that. Then I'm going to take my twisted citron, and I'm just going to blend a little bit around the edges, so you just get that lovely blend of colour. Between the two. Again, this piece of copy paper on the left here just protects my work from my mucky fingers, even though today they're not that mucky. Okay, oops, sorry, that's loud. Okay, so I'm just going to clean off my work surface again. So I'm going to do that 3 times, like that. Okay. Then I'm going to stamp with the Twisted Vine set, and I'm using Nocturne VersaFine Clair for the stamping. Few gentle taps. I'm going to use the acrylic block that's appropriate for the size of the stamp. Beautiful crisp image. And then I'm going to use this one, which is also from that Twisted Vine set. You get 2 stamps in that set. That's the second one. And then the third one, I decided to use wild flower for that one, for the third image. And you can see that because the block is a lot bigger here, it's a bit more difficult to keep. But there we go. So we've got all 3 of our images stamped, and now we're just going to glue them onto the bits of black card. So when I'm gluing, I've got this lovely little pointed bottle. When I'm doing something this small, I actually just smush with my finger the glue so that it's not going to squelch too much. Oh, look at all those lovely words. Squelch too much outside the side of the card. And then I'm going to just take a separate piece of paper. That way I'm smoothing it down evenly, but I'm not getting my fingers over the image. And there it is, beautiful. So I've got my 3 images now, and I'm just going to position them on the card. Maybe that one like that, This card is 11 centimeters by 14. It's paper mill direct, and this is hemp. I think we want this one up here. Now, there you go. Now, why did I move those around? I moved those around because the balance didn't feel quite right to me. Having this one here felt much better. So I quite like that composition. I'm going to glue that down and I'll come back to you. So when I glued them, I decided that I wanted to change those two around, and I quite like that composition. So I'm now just going to use my fine liner all around the edge, and I'm on purpose here not doing it too straight, because that rather sort of wiggly line, but ever so wiggly, just gives it a bit of extra interest. And you can see I have to stop talking every now and again because I have to concentrate. So here you can do all sorts of different doodling around the edge. You could even do it as a double line, etc. You can put dots, you can wiggle them together. Oh, quite like that. So very simple, very clean. Voila. Voila. Thanks for watching.